Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I am making Punjabi mutton karahi. In a hot wok, add 1 cup of mutton stock, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now mix well and bring it to boil. Now I am adding half kg mutton, boiled mutton, 3 medium tomatoes chopped, 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix well and cook on high flame for 2 to 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, add 4 tablespoons of oil. Now mix continuously until oil separates from the gravy. Now you can see oil separate from the gravy. Now I am adding half teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of chili flakes. Now mix well and cook for 2 minutes. Now I am adding 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of whole spices powder, half cup of yogurt. Now mix continuously. Cook on high flame until oil separates from the gravy. Now you can see oil separate from the gravy. I am adding 1 green chili and 1 red chili and adding ginger slice, 2 tablespoons of fresh coriander leaves. Mix well and simmer on low flame for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, uncovered. Now you can see yummy Punjabi mutton karahi is ready, like dhaba style. Love it, eat it, and tell me how it is. Please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.